Hey, what's up, car lovers? Today we're diving into something that might just be a game changer for keeping your car looking flawless. You've probably heard of it, but today we're breaking it down in a way that makes sense. We're talking PPF. Nope, not some government agency. It stands for Paint Protection Film. And trust me, if you love your car, you need to hear this. So buckle up because we're about to roll. All right. Let's address the elephant in the room. Why should you even care about PPF? Think of it like a superhero cape for your car, except instead of fighting crime, it's fighting scratches, UV damage, rock chips, and all that other nonsense out there that can ruin your car's paint job. Without PPF? Ow. With PPF, like nothing even happened. First step, protection. If you park outside, you already know Mother Nature seems to have it out for you. The sun cooks your paint, birds target your car like it's their own personal restroom, and tree sap, don't even get me started. PPF is like an invisible force field that keeps your paint looking fresh. But wait, it gets better. Most modern PPFs have self-healing properties. Yep, like magic. If your car gets a scratch, just leave it out in the sun and poof, now it's gone. So if you happen to brush against a bush or a shopping cart, because some people just don't care, your PPF will take the hit, not your paint. All right, now let's talk options because not all PPFs are equal. All right, so first we have standard PPF, otherwise known as clear brush. Think of this one like your everyday hero. Think of this one like body armor for your car. It protects against rock chips, scratches, road grime. It does the job. No frills. After that, we have a ceramic infused PPF. This is like PPF, plus it has a ceramic coating built in. But honestly, you could just apply a ceramic coating on top of regular PPF and get the same result, so maybe save your money on that one. Now we jump into color change PPF. This is newer. This is a bit fancy. This stuff will protect your paint and change the color of your car at the same time. It's basically a 2-in-1 wrap, but fair warning, it's not as thick as your traditional PPF, so it might not protect to the same level. All right, but what's this gonna cost me? Let's be real. PPF isn't the cheapest thing, but it's much less expensive than repainting your car. Pricing varies depending on where you go, what kind of product you're using, and if you're gonna have any extras on it. For example, let's say you drive a Dodge Ram in Alberta. Shout out to my truck owner. We get the front end wrapped, a basic like hood, part fender, mirrors, bumper. You're probably looking $800 to $1,200 on the independent side. And if you're gonna go through a dealership because they're gonna finance it, you're probably looking like $1,000 to $2,000 or whatever number finance decides to pull out of the hat that day. Now, full body color change PPF, totally different thing. You're probably looking like $10,000 to $15,000 to do that. Yeah, you heard that right. But remember, some of these high-end films cost a fortune just for the material alone. Now, you might be asking yourself, is it worth it? So let's put a little bit of perspective on this. A brand new Dodge Ram heavy-duty truck in Alberta, you're probably looking $80,000 minimum to over $100,000. So if you're spending 1% of the value of your truck to protect the front end, it's not only justifiable, it's smart. Whether you're protecting a fresh repaint or brand new paint, keeping your supercar pristine, or you're just trying to keep your work truck looking decent before retirement, PPF makes sense. Oh, and should you ever decide you want to pull it off, your paint underneath will look as good as the day we put it on. So there you have it. A bit of what PPF is, why it's awesome, and whether it's right for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. If you have a question about PPF, drop it in the comments.